Want to book a campsite for your RV, but it's already sold out? Don't worry, I've got you covered. I'm Christina from Travels with Ted. I've been a full-time RVer for the past 10 years, and today I'm going to show you how I get reservations at campgrounds that are already sold out. I do this by tracking cancellations using a website called Arvie, A-R-V-I-E. I've been using this platform for about 5 years, and it's actually how I'm staying at this campground right now. I'm at a state park in Florida, and I did not book this 11 months in advance, and it was sold out the day it went on sale. But using Arvie, I got this reservation, and now I'm here for the next week. So let's get into how Arvie works. So to use Arvie, you just go to the website. So let's say I want to go to Key West. It's a very popular destination. RV parks there can sell out well in advance. Let's say I want to go in just a couple of weeks and stay for a week. So go ahead and put in the destination and the dates and hit search. And Arvie is going to return a map with all of the resorts in their database. They have state parks in many states. They have KOAs, so a range of different campgrounds, but KOAs and state parks are often ones that sell out, and they're here. So I can see Bahia Honda State Park, Sugarloaf Key, Key West. And so if I want to see if that park has availability, I simply click on it and select check availability. And over here, it starts a scan, and not unexpectedly, we see that the dates are sold out. Now, this is where Arvie gets really cool. Instead of just saying, oh, it's sold out, I can't stay there, what I can do is start a sold out scan. And what this does is it looks for any cancellations that occur for the dates I want, and then we can book that campground cancellation. So I have the information on my RV. I have a 25-foot RV. I need it to be pet friendly. I can select whether I care whether the site has any electrical hookups, so that it won't book a site that doesn't have the utilities I need. And then I can go down here and I have two options. So I can notify me, and that means that it'll send me an email when a cancellation happens. But by the time that happens, it's probably going to be booked. So what I do instead is auto book. And this actually books a campsite for me as soon as a cancellation is found. It's scanning for cancellations every 2 minutes. And so it's highly likely if someone cancels that I'm going to get that site. And so when I click auto book, it's done. And now it will show me, and it already has my credit card information saved, and you can sign into your accounts on here. So it already has my Florida State Park information saved. So when that booking is made, it will actually be made in my account for my Florida State Park, so that I can go in and modify or cancel or look at the reservation just as I would for any reservation. So I just simply put in the credit card I want to use to auto book, and then I start that scan. And it doesn't charge me anything right now. It only charges me the amount of that campsite when it's booked. And so while I don't have any fees for actually booking that campground, there are some fees to use Arvie. So Arvie is $149 per year, and that allows me to run up to 10 active cancellation scans at a time. And during that, like it said, it scans every 1 to 2 minutes and auto books for me. And there's no booking fees, so I pay that $149 a year, and then I don't pay any more for Arvie to book those campsites for me. So I've had this pro membership for 5 years, and it's definitely been worthwhile. Honestly, I'm staying at the state park right now, which is $30-some a night in Florida. If I had to stay at a private campground in the area because I couldn't get into this, not only would I have a less scenic campsite, but I'd be paying way more than $149 more for this week's stay. And just as a little proof of concept, we'll go to my bookings. And we can see that in addition to this stay, I've used this 3 times in the past year. So I have 2 stays at Anastasia State Park, which again are a difficult reservation to get. If you're a Florida State resident, you can book 11 months in advance and it sells out almost immediately. If you're not a Florida State resident, good luck even getting a reservation. Then I also got a KOA in South Carolina. This was spring break, and that campground was sold out months in advance, but I was able to secure the reservation for that Easter spring break weekend. So this works. I've used it. I've run a couple of tests for Bahia Honda and other really popular state parks just to test out this system. And it's always gotten a reservation. So you don't have to plan out everything months in advance. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this helpful. Happy camping.